If you're a business owner, then you probably have more important things to do than manage your website, and would rather assign that to one or more of your employees. If so, then you'll want to create user accounts for them. I'll describe the 5 user types, and you decide which ones are appropriate for your business model. The first user account type is the administrator, and one of these gets created automatically when you first install WordPress. The admin login is very powerful because it can do anything on your site. Because of this, it's a wise idea to only give an admin account to people who you trust completely. The next user type is the editor. This user can't change your site design or settings, but they have full control over content on pages and posts. The author user type is perfect if you want someone to be able to add posts and make them appear on your site immediately. They can only add posts, not pages, and they can't edit anyone else's posts, only the ones they create. A contributor is a lot like an author in that they can log in and write a post, but when they finish, it doesn't actually show up on your site until an editor or administrator approves it. The last user type is the subscriber, and they can't do anything useful from a business perspective unless you install plugins like discussion forums where you want them to participate. If you need multiple users, it's a good idea to only give them the privilege level they need or deserve. Creating and editing users is incredibly easy. Click Users on the admin toolbar to begin. There you'll see a list of all existing users, and you can add a new one by clicking Add New, or edit an existing account by clicking its username. Let's add a new one right now. Enter a username and email address, whatever other fields you want to fill out. Create a password for the user and enter it twice. Check Send Password if you'd like to email the new user their password, and then select their role or account type. Remember to only grant them the privilege level they need or deserve. Lastly, click Add New User, and you're done. Now, remember those spy movies where an agent goes rogue but returns and waltzes right into headquarters? Well, that happens because somebody forgot to delete their user account when they left. Be sure you don't make that mistake. If an employee leaves the company, be sure to delete their user account. Now just click on Users on the left side. Hover your mouse over the account you want to delete and click Delete when the word appears. Before deleting the user, WordPress then makes you choose whether to delete any posts the user added or reassign them to another user. Make your choice, then click Confirm Deletion. And that's it for user management. Watch the next video for some extremely important considerations to keep your site secure and drive customer traffic so your beautiful new site can make your business more profitable. We'll see you then.